Hello guys, in this video we can see that how to create EC2 instance. Okay, so this is the AWS homepage. From here we can select that launch instance. So after that we have to type that instance name like where instance. We have to select that system like I selected for Linux, AWS, Amazon. So after that, so we have to select that instance type. So I selected t2.micro here, then key pair, key one. Key pair means like it's a secure login information for your instance or your server. Okay, so here create security group. So allow SSH traffic from configuration storage 8, then launch instance. So successfully it's created instance. So click that. From here we can see that instance name and instance ID, instance date and the type, status check and availability zones and all. So here we can see this public IP ID and public address and the private address. Okay, that's all.